Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set its schedule for it based on your percentage. So when your device is only 20% charged, the power saving mode will be turned on automatically, and you can also set it to turn off when it's up to 19% charged. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.